Alright guys, I picked up what I would say a very nice condition bumper for my 914 here. It's in great shape, no dings pretty much. It's just a little dirty, so I'm gonna make a little video of me cleaning it and polishing it, and we'll see what it looks like at the end. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna start by doing just a simple cleanup of this sucker, just to see where we can get it. And then we're gonna polish the shit out of it, literally. All right, let's see here. Get all the dirt. I picked this up on Facebook Market. They were asking $300 for it. I offered $200, and they said hell yeah. So I went and picked it up. Show you guys here. Look at all this dirt. All right. Here again. Here we go. Oh, look at that, it's coming right off. I have a 73 914. It's just a 1.7 liter. But I found it in the desert and I like restoring shit, so it's satisfying for me. I'm gonna do the whole car. And if you guys want, we can do video, the whole video of the whole process of it. Look at that, that's a lot better already. Look at that top. Look at that. Look at this. That's just with the water. We haven't even started polishing and getting rid of years and years of watermarks. So this thing's starting to look pretty good. Let's get it right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'll get this side nicely. Look at that. All right, so I've cleaned up all the pretty bad dirt at this point, and now I'm gonna hit it with some of this McGuire's compound all over, or cleaner wax, and then I'll probably hit it with my buffer. With that, I'm gonna get this stuff on there. Good old cleaner wax. I got down at the Advanced Auto. They're going out of business, so I bought a bunch of shit. here. Let's hook up the old buffer here. See what we can do here. Put it in this. Damn, look at that. Woo. It's already starting to look a lot better. Man, it looks like 1,000 times better. Wait, more. Alright. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, look at this. This is already starting to look a lot better. Oh, we still gotta buff this side right here. Look at that. And I got some more stuff to take out a lot of little details that make it look pretty bad. So let's keep going. this corner here. All right, here we go. I got another layer of wax on this thing. Let's hit it again. Alright guys, man, this thing's gonna look good. I'm gonna get rid of this and make it more European looking without those. But this thing's looking pretty good, and we still got a long way to go, but it's not bad for, 15 minutes of just hitting it. We're gonna hit it with this stuff called Never Dull. My buddy recommended. Let's get it here. Here it is. Never Dull. Look at that. My buddy Big Steve McDougal recommended this. Let's see if. Let's see here. I got this a while ago, so it looks like it's still good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hit it with this shit. Should probably be wearing gloves. Oh yeah, yeah. See here. Yeah. There you go. Gloves. Look at that. Let's get the camera closer on this stuff. Look at this. Get some of this good stuff on here. Never dull. We'll see if it works here. Or my friend's just talking out of his butt. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's see. Hold on. We should have probably read the instructions first. Alright, yeah, we're doing it right. Just gonna cover the rest. You don't need much, huh? Let's see here. Doesn't look like you need much. Pretty good. If anybody else is working on a 914, I'm in Southern California in Orange County. Message me or whatever. Maybe we can trade parts. I'm gonna have an extra bumper. It's got a dent on it, but I don't know. Probably good for someone out there. Hit me up. Cut you a deal on it. now, let's see. I'm gonna get an old shirt here. What the hell's... Where is my old shirt? We're gonna cut it up. Here it is. Old flannel. Alright. I don't know where my scissors are, but alright, fuck it. I'm gonna cut it. See. Oh yeah. There you go, look at that. It's looking freaking good. Look at that. Not bad. For a $200 bumper. Not freaking bad. Not freaking bad. Let's see if I got a little... I got too much crap in here. Let's see, I got a little arm roll here. Let's see here. We got the arm roll. Let me explain it. Got a little bit of arm roll here. There we go, look at that. Probably end up taking those off. Put that. Clean those up a little bit. Alright. Not too bad. Alright guys, there it is. Look at that. You can see there's a little different color tone because this is where the license plate goes. But not a big deal. I do have the rubber that goes on top of this. It's actually right here sitting on top of my freaking go-kart. It's all dirty. That's next. We're gonna clean that next. And then put it on top of this baby right here. Look at the difference.